Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2013 Scion FRS. Alright, the tools you're going to be needing will be a 10mm wrench and a 10mm socket. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's pick up the battery and put it in the battery bay. Just a side note, before you put in the battery, this battery clamp will have to hook on to back here, just like so. Just be aware of that, and then go ahead and put in the battery. Alrighty, you can pull the battery forward so you can hook this hook right in that hole right there. There it is. Then we're going to bring the other hook and secure it right here. Here it is. Let's go ahead and slide that sucker in and in there, and we'll go ahead and tighten it up and go ahead and secure it down. That way the battery doesn't go anywhere. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and take these covers off. Golly, I might need both hands. Oh no, there it is. Let's go ahead and put in the positive one first. And let's go ahead and tighten that up. These are also 10. And let's go ahead and put in the negative. And for this one, we're going to need the wrench. Let's go ahead and tighten this sucker down and secure it into place with the wrench. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you install a battery on a 2013 Scion FRS. Let's go ahead and start it up.